The trillions of friendly microbes living inside our guts are now understood to be really important for our health. But there's another microbiome gaining attention in recent years, and you're wearing it. The skin microbiome consists of billions of diverse bacteria, archaea, fungi, and viruses, with bacteria making up the vast majority. As environments go, the skin's an inhospitable place to live, mostly dry, salty, and nutrient poor, not to mention the changes in temperature, humidity, and exposure to UV radiation. The skin is the crucial first line of defense against pathogens, and it couldn't do so without its microbes. For instance, it's home to friendly or commensal microbes like Cutibacterium acnes, which digest the oily substances from the sebaceous glands to create an acidic environment that makes it hard for pathogens to colonize. Other commensal bacteria, like Staphylococcus epidermidis, secrete antimicrobial chemicals, killing would-be invaders on sight. Staphylococcus epidermidis has another important role. These bacteria produce chemicals which help reinforce the tight junctions between skin cells and protect the skin's physical integrity. As well as fortifying the physical barrier, these microbes bolster our immunological defenses. For example, shortly after birth, Staphylococcus epidermidis communicates with regulatory T cells, effectively training the immune system to tolerate commensal skin microbes while remaining alert against invaders. This delicate, balanced ecosystem is essential for our health, but it sometimes goes out of kilter. Acne is an inflammatory condition affecting up to 90% of teenagers. Severe cases can cause scarring and psychological distress. During puberty, the sebaceous glands produce more oil, feeding higher numbers of Cutibacterium acnes, which was thought to cause the spots. However, many studies have found no significant difference in its abundance between individuals with and without acne. Recent advances in microbial genome analysis offer an explanation. There are different strains of this bacterium, and not all cause acne. Antibiotics are a common therapy for acne, but these indiscriminately target all Cutibacterium strains, including the commensal ones, potentially wreaking havoc on the ecosystem of the skin's microbial community. Recent clinical trials have shown the potential of applying probiotics, friendly bacteria that can hamper the virulent strains and restore the balance of the community. One study showed a 50% reduction in the number of inflamed spots a person has following a probiotic treatment. Eczema is another inflammatory disease associated with disruption to the healthy skin microbiome. It's commonly associated with skin infections of Staphylococcus aureus. It's thought that these bacteria are able to disrupt the tight junctions between epidermal cells, gaining entry to the dermal layer below and exacerbating the inflammation. A recent study discovered that certain strains of commensal Staphylococcus produce an antimicrobial peptide that hampers the growth of dangerous Staphylococcus aureus. Giving an eczema patient a transplant of these antimicrobial strains seemed to restore the balance of their skin's microbiome, and they experienced fewer Staphylococcus infections. As scientists unpick the complex interactions of our skin's microbes with one another and with the rest of the body, they may be able to develop further therapeutic strategies to restore its balance and combat many other diseases that affect the skin.